1 year ago, I met my mentor. He is a proprietary. He is trading on a proprietary trading desk, and I learned so many insights how institutions are trading and how retailers are trading and how they means manipulated and how institutions are taking their stop losses and where you have to enter, where you have to take your stop losses and how to your profit rates are should be running.
What's up, traders? Today you're going to meet Manoj, who has recently passed the CTI evaluation. He's trading all the way from India. We're going to learn a little bit about who he is, how he got into trading, and we're also going to look at his actual statement, see how he done. So hopefully you guys will pick up some really good tips and motivation for you to also chase that dream of becoming a full-time funded trader with CTI. So if you're interested in one of our funded accounts, use the link in the description. We've recently launched the Day Trading Funded Trader Program. So for more information on that program, check out this video. Smash that like button, show some love to Manoj in the comment section. Let's get started. So, how you doing, Manoj?
Yes, I am fine.
Good. Well, thank you for joining us and well done for passing the evaluation. It is
Thank you.
very difficult. It's not that easy to do. So you've obviously demonstrated the skills and discipline that we're looking for at CTI. So how are you feeling?
Yes, I'm. It's great. It's great.
Good. So could you tell us about you and how you got into trading, how long you've been doing it for?
Yes, I am Manoj from India, and I am trading from last 3 years professionally. But yeah, I was started before 5 years back, but small trading and make so many losses and taking training from so many strategies and MSCD, RSI. I done all these things, but it's not work for me for 3 to 4 years. But 1 year ago, I met my mentor. He is a proprietary. He is trading on a proprietary trading desk, and I learned so many insights how institutions are trading and how retailers are trading and how they means manipulated and how institutions are taking their stop losses and where you have to enter, where you have to take your stop losses and how to your profit rates are should be running.
Wow, sounds like you're trading smart money concepts.
Yes.
Are you intraday trader?
Yeah, I'm an intraday day trader. So I trade on 1 hour and 15 minutes. 15
Okay.
minutes, 15 minutes chart. Yeah.
Good. And so how long are you spending trading every day?
Uh, it's about 7 to 8 hours. In trades, it's not more than 1 to not 3 hours, but 4 to 5 hours on learning and practice all my concepts and clear all my doubts and means for taking trades, I take a pre-trade analysis, and after that my profit or loss whatever. After that, I do post trading analysis.
Fantastic. So you keep a trading journal, you
Yes.
do your back testing. It sounds like you've put in the work the last few years and now you are seeing the benefits of all of this hard work.
Yeah.
And this is what we're all about. We're looking for traders just like you who
Yes.
make those sacrifices, who put in the work, put in the hours, and don't give up. So how many funded accounts have you done in the past?
Uh, it's near about 14 to 15 funded accounts.
Okay, 14 to 15. And
Not
look, you
not CTI, other funded account. And now I'm trading also on two funded accounts and making consistently profit. And I want a bigger funds. So CTI gives near about $4 million.
yeah.
I'm looking for that.
And how what would that mean for you if you received a $4 million account?
Yeah, it will change my lifestyle and all my last failure 5 to 6 years in my life, and my time, my energy, all these things.
Yeah,
It will
yeah, and
clear all that things.
I bet that will make your family proud as well.
Yes,
Yeah, well, look, you've demonstrated good skill, you've demonstrated discipline, you've
yeah,
demonstrated resilience because a lot of people, in fact, 99% of traders would have given up.
yes,
5 6 years you've failed around, you've been disqualified. I wouldn't say failed. I saw
yeah.
I would say
Learning,
more
learning. It was my learning
it's a
phase.
learning process. Exactly,
Yes, yes,
you never failed because there's
yes,
always a lesson behind each and every
yes,
one of those disqualified accounts,
yes,
and now you're seeing some consistency because you've learned
yes,
from your mistakes. And
yes,
so this is going to inspire so many other traders out there, especially
yes,
any other Indian traders who are watching this. So
yes,
I'm definitely inspired. I haven't failed that many accounts, so you've definitely got more scars than I have in the battlefield. So I'm
definitely.
very very happy that you've finally found some success with CTI. And you know what? If you continue this way, we want to give you more capital. We want you to
Yes,
be a seven-figure trader with us,
yes,
and for you to achieve all of the dreams that you want to achieve, and also make your family proud. And so that's what it's all about. It's all about reaching that freedom, and that's exactly why we design our programs the way we have, to
yes,
make it easier for you. So
yes,
you actually, sometimes we have to make it a little bit harder for you at times, but it's only because we want you to follow good risk management. We want you to learn to be disciplined with your risk
yeah.
management.
That I was think about that relative drawdown and absolute drawdown. I lose some 2 3 trades, and after that I put my risk down and take only 0.5%. And after that 4 5 6 consistent trade, I come on track. After that I take good trades and
Yeah.
achieve that 7% target.
Yeah, there you go. And it's because you knew in the back of your mind, oh, I've got the
Yeah.
relative drawdown.
Yes.
I
Yes. Yes.
can't hit the relative drawdown. I have to
Yes.
be disciplined. So you reduce the risk. That's
I was
that.
only I was only $5 required for target 7%, but after that I lose 1.5%, and I come down. After that I took break for 2 3 days and work on my mistakes and my mental and my psychology, all these things. And after that, in 2 3 trades, I I hit my take profit and
Fantastic.
achieve this 7% target.
That's fantastic. That's exactly what you had to do. You did the right thing. You took a break. You
Yes,
reset the mind. You
yes,
reevaluated, right? You
yes,
reviewed what you did good, what you did bad. You recalibrated in the right direction, and then you went back in to trade
yes,
your edge.
yes,
And look what happened. This is exactly the process. But 99% of traders, they keep going and they keep self sabotaging. $5
yes,
away from target, you lose
yes,
1.5%.
yes.
That's like, that will make people go crazy, right? But
Ah,
and they want the revenge trade. They want to make it back,
yes,
and this is the mistake many fall into. But this time you didn't make the mistake. So I'll be quite curious to see. Yeah, I can see that here in the final few trades you were taking a bit of a loss here. So let's have a look at your equity curve here. In the beginning you can't see my screen, but in the beginning in the first sort of 23 trades you went into a little bit of a drawdown. Um,
yes,
this must have been a bit difficult for you, but what was going through your mind when you were in this drawdown? Did
yes.
did you think you were gonna
Uh,
fail? Did you think you were gonna?
no, no, no. That was not my issue. That I know that I will complete my target, but I was I have some doubts in that time, or some news was there, and I was right in that trade, but some spike has come, and my stop loss has taken out. I take some break and take where is liquidity comes in market and volatility comes. I apply that concept, and in last my trade, you can take it hit target in only 10 to 15 minutes. there was a Audi news, Australian news,
Mm-hmm.
some PMI or any news. I take trade and in 10 minutes I hit my target.
Fantastic. Yeah, I can see here that after that initial losing streak, you then went into a consistent winning streak. You went in. You managed your risk really well between trades 37 and trade 45. You were
Yes,
taking practically break evens for a while. Then you took a
yes,
few winners. Then you went break even for a while, one or two winners, and I can see at the end when you hit the target,
yes,
you then took that 1.5% loss in one, two
yes,
trades. So, and then obviously you then reduced the risk slightly, took a few wins, when it took a few break evens, and then right at the end, you came back.
yes,
So, this
yes,
is, this demonstrates that you have a lot of resilience here. You have a lot of discipline, a lot of conviction and belief and trust in your edge, and most importantly, in yourself. And that's
yes,
what you need as a portfolio manager. This is the skills that you need to take on as you scale higher and higher. Okay,
yes,
so this is just the now you've passed level 1, you're now in level 2. Then you
yes,
need to go up to level 3, 4, 5, and so on until you reach that 2 million mark. So
yes,
if you want to reach 4 million, you can obviously purchase more funded accounts. But
yes.
I'm sure you'll be reinvested in some of your profits.
Yeah, I will not take taken out any profit because drawdown is very less, 5% to 6%.
Yeah,
So I will add that money, whatever profit I will make. I will add all profit again that account till my target.
fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. So just looking at some of your statistics here, let's zoom in a little bit. Um, you had a good win rate, so you were winning about 70% of your trades,
Yes.
um, which is good. But your average profit was a little bit lower than your average losses. So
Yes.
this is something that perhaps you can improve. I mean, whatever you're doing is working. You have a high win rate, which is fantastic, right? But
I was working on it because so many trades I have seen after closing my trade, it hit my target. But because of my low patience, I cut it in less profit.
right, so you could have done even better.
Yeah, yeah, yes,
That's
yes,
so
yes,
sometimes it might be that you um, instead of closing the entire trade, maybe you can
yes,
take some partial exits.
yes,
But whatever it is that you're doing, whatever your strategy is, keep following it. If you're going to make
yes,
any changes, do make the changes in the back test, right?
yes,
Make those
yes,
changes in a simulated environment.
yes,
Get yourself a simulation software, or go on TradingView, use a replay tool, and make those changes there. Don't
yes.
make the changes on the live account that you have.
No, no, I don't change on live account. Whatever working I do, I have a trading view account.
Yeah,
So I'm work all these things are testing and verified in TradingView. After that, I apply on this live account. I don't
fantastic.
do new things on my live account.
Fantastic. That's good to hear. So apart from that, I'm seeing I'm not seeing anything stand out apart from the fact that you have what is most important is you have a solid mindset. You have the attitude and the mindset of a disciplined trader, and this can obviously improve, right? You can
Yes,
get
yes.
better and better, and that's what it's all about. Don't think about the money, right? That you want to
I'm
hit
not,
one
I'm
million,
not
two
thinking
million,
about
four
money or
million.
this. Yes, yes. I just following my process
Yeah,
and I also not seeing target my $4 million. I just process working on my process and just I have to achieve till 90% to 95% accuracy and I'm working on.
fantastic. So, what
Yeah.
advice would you give other traders that are in a similar position to you, that perhaps are failing funded account or as a funded account, perhaps are getting disqualified, perhaps they're struggling? What would you say to those traders?
Yeah, I just tell them to take some very good coach who are making consistently money and who knows all these thing and experience how to deal with this all things and how to work on your strategy and whatever things you are doing. So you just first you have to discipline on your strategy or whatever things. Discipline is the key,
That's
and
it.
right mentoring also
That's it.
required. Yes, yes,
Yeah, this is very good advice, guys. In fact,
yes.
this exact advice I've given on a video, which I talk about the fastest way to get to be a full time funded trader. So you can go ahead and check out that video because it literally goes through this process that Manoj has gone through. And look, he is the product of this 3-step process. So Manoj, thank you so much for your time. Again,
Thank you,
congratulations. I wish you the
thank you,
best of luck as a CTI portfolio manager.
thank you, thank you.
What a pleasure it was to meet Manoj. He is our newest CTI portfolio manager from India, and I'm so inspired by his story. The fact that he's in the past gone through about 15 funded accounts, and in fact, one of them was a CTI evaluation last year, but he never gave up. He kept going, he went back to testing. In fact, he got himself a mentor, he got educated in the right way, he surrounded himself with others who are better than him, right? And this is the recipe. So if you are struggling as a funded trader and you need guidance, you need mentorship and coaching, then you need to join our CTI community because we've got different coaches, professional traders who are demonstrating consistency in their track record. They're demonstrating their students passing funded accounts. So you've got our STT strategy, which is a strategy that Daniel Martin, the co-founder of CTI, this is what he teaches. And you got the corrector strategy from Jamie, the CCO of CTI. This strategy is excellent strategy if you want to catch those high R multiple trades. And of course, you've got the bank level trading community, which is co-founded by myself and Diego, where we teach smart money concepts using pattern recognition to filter out those high probability trades. And we are catching 10R on a daily basis. And if you want more information about these strategies, go ahead and check out the City Traders Imperium website. The links are in the description below. Show some love for this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you are leaving amazing support and comments for Manoj, our newest portfolio manager. Take care, and I wish you good luck in your trading.